Hi, welcome to my channel. I hope you are fine. Today we are talking about the top 10 most creepiest and scariest places in the world. Despite other beautiful places, there are some places which are so weird even science can't provide an answer. The number 10 is Crooked Forest. The Crooked Forest is a grove of oddly shaped pine trees located in the village of Now Zarnowo near the town of Grafino, West Pomerania, in northwestern Poland. Comprises pine trees whose trunks are J-shaped. It is a protected natural monument of Poland. This grove of 400 pines was planted in around 1930. It is generally believed that some form of human tool or technique was used to make the trees grow or bend this way, but the method has never been determined, and remains a mystery to this day. The number 9 is Socotra Island. Socotra or Sokotri is an island of the Republic of Yemen in the Indian Ocean. Socotra's name is traced to the Sanskrit Vipasakadara, island abode of bliss. The island is isolated and home to a high number of endemic species. Up to a third of its plant life is endemic. Particularly bizarre are the ancient and twisted dragon's blood tree and the bulbous bottle tree. It has been described as the most alien-looking place on Earth. The number 8 is Chocolate Hills. Bohol's 1,700-odd conical hills called Chocolate Hills dot the middle of the island in the Philippines. They range in height but are so regular in shape that they could be mistaken for being man-made. However, according to UNESCO, they are the uplift of coral deposits and a result of rainwater erosion. The hills only earn their chocolate nickname in the dry season when the foliage goes from lush green to brown. The number 7 is Hellyer Lake. This remarkable lake is on the largest of the islands in Western Australia's Recherche archipelago. The lake keeps its deep pink color year-round, which some scientists say is down to high salinity combined with the presence of a salt-loving algae species known as Dunaliella salina and pink bacteria known as halobacteria. The 600-meter-long Lake Hellier's vibrant pink color is made even more dramatic by its proximity to the sparkling blue ocean it lies near. The number 6 is Salar De Uyuni. Salar De Uyuni is the remains of a prehistoric lake that dried off and left behind void space of bright white salt, rock formations, and cacti islands. Its otherworldly expanse can be observed from central Inkawasi Island. Though wildlife is rare in this unique ecosystem, it harbors many pink flamingos. The Salar has been used as a filming location for movies such as Star Wars, The Last Jedi, The Fowl, Salt and Fire. The number 5 is the Giant's Causeway. According to legend, the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland dates back to the time of Finn Mac Cumhale. The Giant's Causeway lies on the foot of the basalt cliff at the Antrim Plateau edge in Northern Ireland. It features almost 40,000 hexagonal stepping stones. This natural rock formation, which resembles a giant's staircase, has inspired numerous legends and myths. The Giant's Causeway is an area of about 40,000 interlocking basalt columns, the result of an ancient volcanic fissure eruption. The number 4 is Bermuda Triangle. Covering an area of 440,000 miles in the sea, the Bermuda Triangle has myriad fanciful theories and is reputed as a mysterious place. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is an urban legend focused on a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where a number of aircraft and ships are said to have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. The writers have used a number of supernatural concepts to explain the events. The number 3 is Nazca Lines. The Nazca Lines are geoglyphs in the Nazca Desert of southern Peru. Scientists believe they were created as early as 500 BC. Covering an area of nearly 1,000 square. The figures vary in complexity. Kilometers, there are about 300 different figures, including animals and plants. Other shapes include trees and flowers, hundreds are simple lines and geometric shapes, more than 70 are zoomorphic designs, including a hummingbird, spider, fish, condor, heron, monkey, lizard, dog, cat, and a human. The number 2 is Blood Falls. Blood Falls is an outflow of an iron oxide tainted plume of salt water, flowing from the tongue of Taylor Glacier onto the ice-covered surface of West Lake Bonny in the Taylor Valley of the McMurdo Dry Valleys in Victoria Land, East Antarctica. Amidst the unending whiteness of the snow, Blood Falls provides a creepy relief. The water is red in color due to the presence of huge amounts of iron. The number 1 is Catacombs of Paris. Over 6 million people's remains lie in the city's labyrinthine tunnels, making for a creepy and macabre experience. The Catacombs of Paris are underground ossuaries in Paris, France. By the late 18th century, these old quarries were beginning to collapse under the weight of a rapidly expanding Paris. At the same time, the cemeteries at the center French capital were faced with overcrowding. The catacombs were seen as a solution that would solve both problems. Moving old remains underground into the mines prevented them from collapse and eased crowding at the cemeteries.